FIDAMC is the Airbus Group Technology Center in Spain, founded by Madrid Community, ZAero and Airbus Group. Our main mission is to help to development of new technologies and manufacturing processes with composites materials. ZAero project contributes to the development of new technologies by helping to the manufacturing of parts with zero defects by an inline quality control, coupled to a decision system fit by a simulation model. Additionally to the development of improved technologies for FIDAMC, this project meant an opportunity to consolidate our knowledge in the manufacturing of curved surface with dry carbon fibers. Main challenge was to overcome the layup of dry fiber over a vertical double curved surface. Due to the lack of the tagging of this type of material, it is difficult to guarantee the correct positioning of the toes, as Professor mentioned previously. Monitoring the layup process adds great value to these manufacturing technologies, since enable the detection of defects on real time. Other milestone to face was the optimization of the layup program to achieve the high quality required by aeronautical parts. Thanks to the ZAero Group effort, we managed to detect defects, reworking them during layup of parts. Manufacturing of carbon fiber parts is our main task. FIDAMC have prepared in total 4 parts. A demo of 1.5 meter per 1.5, which try to represent the higher curved zones in the A350 wing skin structure with a reinforced area. A second demo, same as the first, but it includes 3D stiffeners, copying the panel curvature and the chain of thickness of this skin. 2 panels with real defects, such as gaps, missing toes, or overlaps of the toes to evaluate the effect of real defects on the mechanical properties, and these tags includes also the mechanical results. Once the parts are layup, it is required a hot forming process at high temperature with a special vacuum bag designed for that purpose. Main difficulty is the conformation of the 3D stringers. To achieve the T-geometry from the flat panels, FIDAMC developed a specific tooling and strategy to conform them to the final T shape. Finally, during infusion step, dry fiber are impregnated with a resin to provide continuity to the composite. Dry fiber parts are enclosed in a vacuum bag with a special ancillary material intended to enable the correct impregnation of all the fibers and parts. In factory, collaborate with FIDAMC to follow the infusion process by implementing their flow rate and curing sensor on the dry part before FIDAMC closes the infusion and curing bags. This allows us to monitor and detect any deviation on real time, helping us to reduce possible wasted parts and decrease production costs. After matrix infusion, the oven temperature is increased to follow the cure cycle. A typical cure cycle for aeronautic resin is 2 hours at 180 degrees. Once the cycle is over, FIDAMC proceeds to the demolding and quality inspection of the part. Summarizing, the main ZAero FIDAMC activities have been the manufacturing of aeronautical parts with ZAero system implemented during the dry carbon fiber layup and during infusion process to detect and monitor defects during the manufacturing processes.